Welcome everyone to this video. If you have sound problem on your DAZN app in this video, we're gonna fix it now. Let's do it. So you should open first your settings of your mobile phone. Click next at apps option and search for DAZN app and click. So here you will see this list. Go click on storage, click clear cache. Back after this, click on force stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update your DAZN app and restart your own device then, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel and see you in another video.